Good noon to everybody here. Ako'y pumunta dito, sa totoo lang, we were already outside and I haven't seen anybody. So I went to another restaurant and suddenly, yun nga, sabi ni Ma'am Kat, nandito. Anyway, I came here to be with you as one of those na gusto na natin ang tunay na pagbabago sa gobyerno dito. Sa mga hindi po nakakakilala sa akin, ako po ay dating, up to now, I'm the President of the Whistleblowers Association of the Philippines tungkol sa mga korupsyon ng gobyerno, simula't simula kay GMA. And I was appointed as a director of the Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office during the term of our very beloved President and the best President that the Philippines had. Walang iba po kundi si President Digong Duterte. Ako po ay nakulong with my son dahil sa paglaban ko sa korupsyon sa PCSO. And we were charged murder, me and my son. And nandun po kami ng anak ko for 20 months and we were being acquitted by the court. Wala pong tumulong sa akin because I know very well that God is with us. And saan na nangyayari ngayon sa ating bansa? Dapat tayo magkaisa. Maawa tayo sa next generation natin. Ito, matanda na ako. I'm 64 years old. I'm a senior citizen. I underwent an operation on my spinal cord. And that's the reason why I cannot really walk that far. And I cannot stand that long. But wala po sa akin yan. Sasama ako kung saan ang taong bayan. Dahil nangyari sa buhay namin, Pangina. Nabuti na lang talaga, we cling to God. I'm a pure Catholic. But we were able to learn how to open the Bible during our darkest days. At doon po nakita namin ng Panginoon ay hindi ka iiwanan. Never kang iiwanan, but just to surrender everything to Him. At ito na, lumalaban pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. Doon sa mga nakakilala sa akin, I already spoke in Iwasang Bonifacio. At sinabi ko lahat ang tungkol sa korupsyon ng PCSO. At ngayon, kahit sino ang mag-imbita sa akin, sumasama ako para maging united tayo para sa ating next generation. Actually, coming here, I spoke to one guy who is a member. He's a police officer. A very well-known police officer. Na ang sabi sa akin, Madam, just tell our friends that I cannot be persuaded. I have my own discernment. Dahil ang mga PNP po ngayon, ang police ay hindi na alam kung saan sila pupunta. They are now being used by this government at ang kawawa. Ito ay mga nag-aral. These are all PMAers, PNPA. na ngayon ay nasisira ang kanilang profesyon. That you cannot put somebody in that position for 4 hours only. Kasi magre-reflect yan sa kanilang service record. Then after 4 hours, tatanggalin, lalagay na naman ng isang pulis, ng isang hepe. Then after 3 hours, gano'n na naman. What kind of chief PNP are you? General Martial? Or whatever? Because I'm very close to the military and police. I know a lot of police officers, but I never heard your name. That means you are not that good operator. At inagay kang Chief PNP, pinaglalaroan mo. Pinaglalaroan mo ang sistema ng mga police officers. Maawa kayo. Ito ay nagtrabaho, ay nag-aral ng ilang, nagsunog ng kanilang kilay na para lang nyo sumunod sa gusto nyo. Remember that military and police, Philippine National Police, are for the people. You are for the people. Hindi ito hawak ng isang presidente o isang DILG o isang chief PNP na kagaya. Na gusto nyong paglaruan ang kanilang mga serbisyo. Nakakalito na kayo. Now, when it comes to to the West Philippine Sea, hindi sinasabi ng stream media kung ano na talaga ang tunay na nangyayari sa West Philippine Sea. Nakikita nyo naman. The Vice Admiral Carlos, where is he now? Generals of the Philippine Navy. I'm asking you, General Brown, and our PNP Secretary, inutang niyo ang 5 general ng Philippine Navy headed by Vice Admiral Carlos and 1 full colonel. Where are they now? I know where they are, but I will not say anything about them. It's you, Chief of Staff Browner and DNP Secretary Gibok Chodoro to tell the Filipinos where are these 6 good military officers. At ito naman, yung isang sip-sip niyong si Daniela, trying to persuade or trying to chismoso, marites, na sinasabi niya na hinaras ng Chinese Coast Guard. Ngayon yung boss mo, the guy on your top, had said na wala namang harassment. And there was a video that was released a month ago showing that it was the Chinese Coast Guard who rescued the fishermen. Wala doon ng Philippine Coast Guard ng vessel on that area. Ngayon, gusto na naman ni Gibo at ni Anyo. Wala kaya rin si Anyo. General Anyo. We're friends before. It was President Duterte who made you. Asan ka ngayon? Sabihin mo pa na dapat mag-apologize or change yung boss ng Tariela ngayon, na ang totoo lang naman ang sinabi. Ang video cannot deny. Ang video ay hindi masisunod. Videos cannot lie. Like what this bangag government is. Marami tayong mga videos dyan. Kahit ano pang sabihin. Again, ito, uulitin ko. President Bongbong Marcos. Kung gusto mo talaga na maging klarado sa mga Pilipino, na hindi totoo yung itinatapon sa iyo, then I think this is high time for you to have your drug test with your hair. Para malaman ng buong Pilipinas at ng buong mundo na hindi ka na cooking lover. Yun lang po. At yan po ang aking ulitin. We have to unite for our country. Huwag tayong magtapataasan ng ihip. Huwag tayong magpapa-feel na that you're the leader of this group. Pareho po tayo. Huwag tayong magtataasan ng ihip. We have to work united. Okay? Isa lang po ang ating ang ating mission is for President Bongbong Marcos to realize that he cannot rule. He is not the president na ibinoto ng bayan. Dapat isipin niya ang kapakanan ng tao. Hindi kapakanan ng pamilya nyo. Dahil there is something. Why are you doing this for US? Because alam namin na yung mga ninakaw ng pamilya noon, yung mga Manhattan na mga properties nyo, gusto nyong makuha. At yan po ay ang mata at ang tenga ng mga taong bayan ay alam po yan. Pilipino ang mawakata. Huwag mo kaming paglaruan. The Americans are using us as a pawn against the Chinese, against China, because we know very well that they cannot really beat China. At yan ang ginagawa, ikaw ang ginagawa pareho ni Zelensky ng Ukraine, na hindi ginamit ang utok. Ngayon, asan siya? Wasak ang Ukraine? Saan siya ngayon?
Gala-gala.
Pumunta dito at magsayaw ulit kayo.
Tama. Party dito, party
Salamat
doon.
po.
Ayun si Zelensky.
Sangga, thank you for